Dattaram, please unmute yourself.
Hello, sir. Namaste.
Namaste, be
So,
blessed. How are you?
good.
You're also going
So
to ask me a
again,
Venus. You're also going to ask me a Venus question today.
looks like it is going to come to Venus. That's what I have. I was looking at my brother's chart. Uh,
Ah,
so uh, I also asked him to join so that he can also listen uh, from you as well. Uh, so his question is like he should go for the business or he should go for the job. Like nowhere like his settlement is happening.
has he given a horary number or you have given?
Yeah, he has given a horary number. It's 164.
What's his name?
Shripad. Shripad.
And his last name?
Mane. Mane.
Mane. And give me that horary number that he gave.
164.
164. Job or business. Modified KSK. Be blessed. Sukhino Bhavantu. All right. Let's see what Venus has to say. Let's first look at the job. Sixth house starts in Aries at 28:10. Sublord.
Moon.
Moon is in
10th house. Venus.
Venus star. And Venus is deposited in the 8th house. So job is going to be a challenge for him. He cannot go for a job and help learn to succeed. It is also owning the 12th house. It is owning the 7th house. So struggle, opposition, problem, instability, loss of job. He has been asked to resign and quit, or he himself will in an impulse resign and come out. All kinds of challenge he will face if he goes for a job. All right. Let's look at one. What is his education or his experience background?
So he has done commerce, BCom, but like he has been doing like a taxi driver business. Like he used to own a taxi business, like taxi driver kind of Uber kind of stuff. But again, now that also he had big heavy losses there.
10th house of Lord Moon in the star of Venus again. Own profession is a problem. 3rd house of Lord Rahu in the star of Ketu, signifying the 11th house. That's a big positive sign. So, sir, even though he's had some losses, see if he can attach his car or if he can become a driver in some other person as a contract. That will be the best job for him. Any kind. 3rd house, no? 3rd house of Lord is Rahu. Rahu is signifying the 11th house through Ketu connection. Ketu is deposited in Libra at 653. So he will have incremental income, not huge money. Some amount of money will come for him. Okay, 11th house of Lord Saturn, retrograde Saturn in Rahu star. Okay, not much you can do there. 7th house of Lord Rahu in the star of, or partnership business also succeeds. He can do it along with his wife if he is married, or find a good partner and do as a partnership business. He is likely to succeed because 7th house of Lord is also Rahu.
That's right.
Okay, so either he has to get a contract somewhere as a 3rd house is signifying the 11th house, or he has to do a partnership business with someone. Only these two things will succeed. Job will not succeed for him. Own profession also will not succeed.
But mostly partnership.
Either contractual jobs. See, for instance, you can go to a company and say, okay, I have a car, I can drive. Give me a retainer. Okay, 1 year contract, you try. You see for 1 month, see if I drive very well for you. If he says yes, then continue. Otherwise, partnership business is the way to move forward.
Okay.
All the very best. All the very best. Good luck. Be blessed.